told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hey my love, welcome back to another edition of Oma Click Kitchen. So today's recipe I'll be sharing on how to make your peanuts. So on this video I'll be taking you step-by-step process on how to make your peanuts. So for this recipe you are going to mix your solid differently and your liquid differently, and you are not going to add baking powder to this recipe, okay? So for the preparation of this recipe, the ingredients you need is your flour, sugar, nutmeg, milk flavor, vanilla flavor, butter, egg, liquid milk, sachet milk, salt, and your groundnut. So in a clean dry bowl, sieve out your flour, add your milk flavor and mix it properly. Add your sachet milk and mix it properly. Grind your nutmeg and mix properly. Add salt for taste and mix properly. So to a different bowl, you break your egg and beat it a little bit. Add your melted butter, add your flavor, which is vanilla flavor, here I added 2 cups of this flavor. You can add as many as you want because they are just for flavoring purpose, and you have to mix them as well. Add your liquid milk, and it's not a must, you must add liquid milk, but I prefer adding liquid milk to mine. So here you're going to add your sugar to your liquid part, because if you add this sugar in your solid part, it's going to lead to clumping of this solid substance. Okay, so I will add my sugar and beat them together. For the coating of these granules, pour out a little quantity of your granules and add your liquid mixture to it, and make sure this liquid mixture covers this granules properly. Then sprinkle your mixed flour to it and mix it very well. While mixing, you realize that some of these granules are clumping together, so you have to separate them, and you continue this process until your groundnut is fully coated. So once your groundnut is well coated, you can now take one coated of these groundnuts and add it to your vegetable oil, because you're going to fry on low heat. So once this oil is hot for frying, you can now start frying your peanuts, okay? So after frying, remember you have to spread it out to get cool, and then you can now store in an airtight container, because I know you are not going to finish this at once, okay? So if you are watching this video up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment down below, and just want to know what you have or your idea about this video. And please don't forget to share to your family and friends, okay? Thank you, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.